Italian Greyhound breeding ethics. Breeding dogs is a complex and controversial subject, and when it comes to Italian Greyhounds, there are a few important ethical considerations to keep in mind. In this video, we will explore the ethical issues surrounding Italian Greyhound breeding and discuss what responsible breeders should prioritize to ensure the welfare of these beautiful dogs. Italian Greyhounds are a small, elegant, and affectionate breed known for their graceful appearance and gentle temperament. With their long, slender bodies and sleek coat, they are often sought after as pets and show dogs. However, their popularity has unfortunately led to some unethical breeding practices. One of the main ethical concerns in Italian Greyhound breeding is the prioritization of appearance over health. Unscrupulous breeders may breed dogs solely for specific physical traits, such as size or coat color, without paying enough attention to their overall health and well-being. This can lead to the proliferation of genetic disorders within the breed, causing unnecessary suffering for the dogs and placing an emotional and financial burden on their owners. To combat this issue, responsible breeders should prioritize health testing and genetic screening for their breeding stock. Tests for common health issues, such as luxating patellas, progressive retinal atrophy, and thyroid problems, should be conducted regularly to ensure that only dogs free from these conditions are used for breeding. Additionally, genetic screening can help identify carriers of certain genetic diseases, enabling breeders to make informed decisions about mating pairs to minimize the risk of passing on these conditions to their offspring. Another ethical consideration in Italian Greyhound breeding is the responsible management of the breeding program. Breeding should not be seen as a quick way to make money, but as a long-term commitment to the betterment of the breed. Responsible breeders should have a deep understanding of the breed standard and work towards producing dogs that embody the desired traits while maintaining their overall health and temperament. Breeding should also be done with the goal of expanding the gene pool and avoiding overbreeding. Inbreeding can lead to a higher incidence of genetic disorders and reduced genetic diversity within the breed. Therefore, responsible breeders should carefully select breeding pairs that are not closely related, ensuring a wider gene pool and healthier offspring. In addition to the physical well-being of the dogs, ethical breeding should also prioritize their emotional and social needs. Italian Greyhounds are sensitive and social animals that thrive on human companionship. They require regular exercise, mental stimulation, and social interaction to lead fulfilling lives. Responsible breeders should ensure that their dogs are raised in a loving home environment, receive adequate socialization from a young age, and have opportunities for regular exercise and mental enrichment. Furthermore, ethical breeders should be committed to the well-being of all their dogs, not just the ones that are deemed breeding quality. In a responsible breeding program, all dogs should be treated as cherished members of the family, regardless of their breeding potential. This means providing them with proper veterinary care, balanced nutrition, and a safe and stimulating environment. Lastly, responsible breeders should consider the impact of their breeding decisions on the overall dog population. Overbreeding can lead to an increase in the number of dogs in rescue shelters and contribute to the growing problem of pet overpopulation. Therefore, it is essential for breeders to carefully manage their breeding programs and avoid producing more puppies than there are responsible homes available. In conclusion, Italian Greyhound breeding ethics revolve around prioritizing health over appearance, responsible management of the breeding program, and meeting the emotional and social needs of the dogs. By adhering to these ethical principles, breeders can ensure the welfare of Italian Greyhounds and contribute to the betterment of the breed as a whole. As potential buyers and admirers of this wonderful breed, it is our responsibility to support and seek out breeders who demonstrate a commitment to these ethical standards.